third is promotion. You need to tell people it's out there. You need to get people to come to it. And the last is process, and what we're really talking about there is a sales process and a follow-up process to really leverage what you're doing. So let's go through each of them. The first one is planning and equipment and software, because this is the first question that always comes up. And one of the great things about webinars is how little you need to make it happen. People often get caught up in getting the right equipment and software, but the bottom line is what you really want is equipment that is reliable, easy to use. Here's what you need to run a successful webinar. So you need a computer with a wired internet connection. You can do wireless, but wired tends to have a little more speed to it and you don't have issues. And so you want to make sure that you don't have technology issues when you have people online with you. So you want to make sure wired connection always tends to work better. Next thing you need is webinar software. You also need a USB headset or a microphone, and you want a wired one. You don't want a wireless one. And the last one is presentation software. So it can either be PowerPoint or Keynote. Really, that's all you need. Now, there's lots of webinar software providers out there, and they also offer free trials on a number of them. And so you can go out and you can try them. Now, I've tried all the bigger companies. We've been using webinar software since '99. We started with WebEx, and we've worked with a number of different companies before. I tend to like the bigger company software, like GoToWebinar, WebEx, or the Adobe Connect product. Now, there's a lot of them out there that are cheap or even free, but in my experience, you tend to get what you